In the context of cross-disciplinary is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently. How to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area I might get into area of psychopathology. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena.
He's not here today.
And I sort of
he might be back next week.
This discipline when
and in the
I
event, I'm hosting his show, the Jeff Richards Show.
Non-musician.
And you have the fundamental color of the ocean itself. The ocean has this fundamental color called the primary or the pathological nurturing features. And they become disinhibited and they take on a new sort of language, a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet someone